Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. As I said yesterday, I'm going to spend the remainder of this week making some suggestions as to how we can work to overcome the divisiveness that occurs not only within our country, but also and even within our own parish community and within our own families. Now, any of you who know me or who have attended any of my presentations knows that I like to talk. Give me a topic and I'll start talking about it. And I love to discuss things with family and with friends. My problem is that I don't always listen very well. I love to express my own point of view, but I'm not always a very good listener. And I'm suggesting that I and maybe all of us to a certain extent could sharpen and hone our listening skills. And how can we do that? Well, to listen, I know I don't always do this, but to listen means not only to hear the words that someone else is saying, but also to try to understand the feelings that accompany those words and to pay attention to the body language that accompanies those words. The experts tell us that 90% of human communication is done without words, that only 10% of our communication is through our words. And so I know for myself, and I'm suggesting that maybe one of the ways that we can work to overcome the divisiveness in all aspects, all the arenas of our lives, is by simply slowing down, by taking the time to really listen to what others are saying, to pay attention to not just their words, but to pay attention to their feelings, pay attention to the emotion that lies behind their words. And not be so ready while we're supposedly listening to the other, not getting ready with our comeback, not preparing our counterattack or our counter argument, so to speak. I suggest that if we truly work on our listening skills, we can have greater unity in family, in parish, and in country. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day today.